August 15, 2025. Magandang hapon po. Ang ating pong paksa ngayon ay ang Republic Act 9165 at ang Comprehensive Drug Acts 2002 in relation to the fact-finding investigation that is ongoing in respect to the supposed staff of Senator Robin Padilla. So, tingnan po muna natin ang who, what, when, where, why, how. So, who, ito po ay staff ni Senator Robin Padilla. What, found using marijuana when August 13, 2025, where sa Senate bathroom nakatabi ni Senator Robin Padilla. Why ang Office Sergeant at Arms or OSA made an investigation and the report was given to Attorney Renato Batog Jr., the Senate Secretary, and copy furnished the Office of Senator Robin Padilla through his Chief of Staff, Attorney Rodolfo Philip Jurado, and in which the suspect is said to submit his written reply from August 14. So, i-count po natin August 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Dapat po yung suspect ay mag-submit ng kaniyang explanation. So, ano po yung ating batas noong year 2002? Ang Republic Act 9165 po ang nagsasabi, this law provides legal framework for drug testing in employment setting. So, regardless po kung public or private, wala pong sinabi, basta ang sabi dito sa batas na to, dapat mag-conduct po ng drug testing in employment. I tried to research Civil Service Commission, but unlike sa Department of Labor covering private sector, nag-issue po ng Department Order 53-0 po ang Department of Labor for the private corporation, providing guidelines for implementing a drug-free workplace, policies and programs in private sector, including testing protocols and its confidentiality. But even the absence of a civil service guidelines on this, explicit po ang Republic Act 9165 sa Section 47, in which it says employers with more than 10 employees are required to adopt a drug-free workplace rules, random testing protocols, and disciplinary measures consistent with the Dangerous Drugs Board guidelines. Hence, even with the CSC or Civil Service Commission's absence on respect to promoting these guidelines, all government agencies are required to adopt policies promoting a drug-free workplace environment. But if you remember, Representative Paulo Duterte filed House Bill 10744 na ito po ay ini-snub sa House of Representatives because this bill proposes mandatory random drug testing for government officials every 6 months, including the President, to amend Republic Act 9165, covering appointed elected officials of the government and government-owned or controlled corporations. So, uulitin ko, kahit po wala pang batas si Senate ngayon at saka si current administration in respect to a drug-free agency, ito po ay embodied already sa Section 47 ng Republic Act 9165 na dapat nag-hold din ang ating mga government agencies ng random testing kasi nag-i-employ po ng sobrang 10 employees, wala namang sinabi private or public. Sinabi lang pag may empleyado ka na more than 10, dapat nagkakandak ng random drug testing. Sana po ay with this, kung ako si Senator Robin Padilla, ang lahat ng aking mga staff, including him and his lawyers or whoever, must undergo a drug testing activity para po hindi na rin siya batikusin ng mga tao na dapat magpa-drug test. You know, these things which are happening in our agencies ay nag-i-indicate na sana mag-align na tayo kung ano ang nararapat sa ating mga gayak sa gobyerno, including yung mga budget call na yan. Siguro nagkaroon ng mga ganitong abuso talaga para it is already time for us to really find out ano ba ang dapat gawin natin sa ating mga government agencies na aligned po tayo sa ating mga aims and goals para maging malinis po ang ating governance. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, and liking. Dr. Cummins at your service.